Starting a build or major renovation. Before anything goes up, you need one thing first: power. And when there's no permanent connection yet, you use a temporary builder's supply or TBS. A TBS is a safe, temporary power setup for construction sites. It includes a temporary power pole, a metered switchboard, and the wiring needed to run tools, lighting, and machinery. It's essentially your project's temporary power station. You need a TBS when the site has no permanent electricity during knockdown rebuilds or major extensions, or anytime trades need reliable power before the final connection is installed. It's essential because it provides safe, compliant, professionally installed power from day one, without the ongoing fuel costs and maintenance that come with running a generator for long periods. Only a Level 2 accredited service provider can install a TBS. It involves working on overhead and underground service lines, installing metering, and connecting directly to the network, so compliance and safety are critical. High Demand Electrical delivers fully compliant TBS installations across Sydney. The Level 2 team handles temporary poles, metered boards, safe disconnections and reconnections, and all overhead and underground connections to keep your project powered. If you want safe, reliable temporary power for your build, choose Sydney's trusted Level 2 team, High Demand Electrical, powering your project from day one.